For those of you who are brand new, welcome to my channel, Saving Mamacita. Today is very, very special. Of course, every video of mine is special, okay? But this one is especially exciting because we are about to unbox the seasonal FabFitFun box. This is the fall edition. This is one of my favorites, ultimate favorite unboxings, and I'm gonna tell you why. First of all, it's only $49.99 plus tax. So it's super, super, super affordable. And the value is like freaking amazing. So you're gonna see all these items that I got, and
a few moments later,
you're gonna be blown away at the price, $49.99, and the value that I received in this box. So in addition to that, FabFitFun gets you amped up for this box. And I'm gonna tell you that the customization on this is super fun because you actually get to pick out 3 items that you know you're gonna get inside your box. And so I know 3 items I'm getting, the rest is a surprise, and that is the fun of the unboxing, is the surprise. So I do already know that the items that are in my box from the customization are over my $49.99 value that I paid. So we're good there. We're totally good there. So I know you're probably wondering, why is that box so freaking big? Yes, it is large and in charge. This box is huge. And it's because, I'll tell you a secret. I ordered some additional items at a discounted price. Yes, they have a pop-up shop, you guys, that's open for a limited amount of time. And you can get so many things at a discounted rate. If you're looking for beauty products, whether it be shampoo and conditioner, it can be makeup, it can be, oh gosh, it could be fashion items, it could be home decor items, you name it, they're in there. So, but you have to be quick and you have to go on there during the time frame that you're allotted so that you can get best selection. So yes, the box is huge is because I have additional items in here that I paid above and beyond the $49.99 FabFitFun box. So I'm gonna share those with you as well. And so yeah.
a few moments later.
Oh, okay, so I'm gonna go over the items here that were the add-ons. These are items that I found in the shop that I wanted to purchase for myself or for a gift for somebody else. And let's take a look. This one is for me. This one is for me. I have a bad neck, very bad neck. So this, I hope, will help me out a little bit. This is called a neck and back relief kit. Let's open it up. It's in its own packaging. It's kind of heavy. So I don't know how to pronounce that. GAM or GM. I'm very familiar with that brand, and that is why, one of the reasons why I went ahead and added this one to my order. This value is $40. It is a calming lavender scented wrap. It provides warm or cold therapy. So relaxation, essential to our lifestyle, right? For me, when I get stressed, I get tension all up in here, and it's not good. So I got this. I'm gonna try to open it up here for you to look at. It's its own kit. So we've got, oh, smells like lavender. So it's just around the neck. You can put it in the microwave, warm it up. Oh, yes. This Swell water bottle. Isn't that adorable? Look at that beautiful pattern, you guys. It's one of the metal, it's a metal water bottle. You can never have enough water bottles. And it has the twist off top. open like that, and it keeps the beverage in there cold for a long freaking time. I have actually used one of these. I haven't owned one before. Now I do. This, it says it keeps beverages cold for up to 24 hours, and you can use it for hot drinks as well, and it keeps them hot for up to 12 hours. So eco-friendly, triple walled, no sweat, so there's gonna be no condensation on this water bottle. I wanted one really bad, and I got it at a discounted price in the pop-up shop. So I love the pattern as well. So it's mine. Actually, I did order one more thing, but that is going to be shipped separately. It is, I will leave the image for you right up here. You guys can take a look. I ordered a suitcase travel baggy type deal, and you're gonna see that picture right there. I got it for like $70, and normally it is like close to $200. So I got a very good deal on it, and there was no way I was gonna let that pass me by. So yes, I will be getting that one real soon, but definitely worth the price.
A few moments later.
So here is inside the box. What's in there? What is in there? What's in there? Okay, so in every FabFitFun box, they do have a magazine. This is the one I got. They're the same in every box. So inside the magazine, it has like different articles that have different products that are in the box, that could be in your box. Gives a description, gives the price on them. So all the way through, there are the products. Then they have different articles. Like this one is Fall Home Decor Tips with Kristen Cavallari. So I'm gonna take a look at that later. A lot of fun, different information related to the season. So kind of fun. All right, so let me see if I can remember what I had for my customization. Okay, so yeah, here is the first one. This is the one that I did request to be in my box for sure. This is a Glossmetics hair removal device. Okay, let's open it up. It says this device will instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair from any area of your body. It's discreet and portable, and it will allow you to carry it with you anywhere. So inside it includes the hair removal device, one AA battery, one cleaning brush, and one instruction manual. So I am excited to use this. I'm not that hairy, but this will be fun to try. Look at that, and it's rose gold. It is rose gold, and I will have to read the directions because I don't know how to use it, but okay, there's where you put the battery. Came with a battery, so we'll put that in there, and then it has the little cleaning brush too. So I'm excited to try that. I've never owned one of these before, so we will see how it goes. Okay, so that was one of them on my customization list. And like I said, you can have 3 products that you absolutely want to have included in your box. If you don't want to, you can always have it be a surprise too. But there were 3 that I wanted to try. Okay, next up we have the Beauty Crop Glow Milk. I don't think this was on my list, but isn't that cute? It looks like a little milk carton. So cute. It has a little smiley face on it. What is it? Well, glow milk. Makes sense why it would be in a little carton like this. So it's vegan, it's nourished with coconut and argan oil. It is liquid radiance in a bottle. Well, let's open this bad boy up and see. Okay. Glow milk. There it is. Still don't know what it is for sure. Okay, it is a liquid highlighter. Liquid highlighter. Enriched with coconut. It hydrates while illuminating the skin. And yeah, this would be cool. Yeah, a liquid highlighter. I've never tried liquid highlighters, so this will be fun. I usually use just like the powdered stuff. So I'm excited to try this for sure. So Glow Milk. All right, next up we have, what is this? I know what this is. Okay, this was one of the items that I did request in my box. This is called Nectar, is the brand. And these days, it is really super important to protect your eyes from all the technology that we check out every day. Like literally on our phones, on our computers. Look, I got these awesome blue blocker light glasses. And I love the design. Look at that. Look at that. Aren't they super cute? Let's try them on. I like them. What do you guys think? Fabulous, darling. Fabulous. Yes, I feel fabulous. No, I like these. I like these a lot. Super fun. This is, I don't know what the brand is. Likwid. Stress reliever. What kind of stress reliever is it? Natural hair oil, 100%. This is this cool little bottle here. So what do? Use your fingers to apply oil into your scalp and hair. Massage lightly, then shampoo and rinse after 1 hour or later. 1 hour later? Stress reliever. And again, it has a little syringe. So yeah, stress reliever for the hair. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, next up we have Hythe, Hythe, Tranquility Sleep Mist. So what is this all about? They know, don't they? They know that I'm a little bit that I need to chill. Okay, so this here is a Tranquility Sleep Mist. Before bed, you mist it around the pillows and sheets to create a calming sleep environment. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face and body to relax and soothe the skin. So all you do is you take, what does it smell like? It smells very clean. Kind of like, actually it smells kind of like eucalyptus. I'm not gonna go to bed right now, but let's spray it. Was that 8 to 10 inches? I don't know. It's very, yeah, it's very eucalyptus-y. Is that a word? Eucalyptus-y? Interesting. Very interesting. I'm getting sleepy. I'm getting very sleepy. No, I'm not getting sleepy, but we will try this later and see if it actually calms. Kind of like an essential oil, I'm guessing. So just in a spray form. All right, next up we have the Laundress. This was my other customizable item that I wanted to try. The Laundress Crease Release. Removes wrinkles. I have heard of this brand. It is freaking legit. So legit. I haven't actually tried it, but I've heard so many good things about this product and the brand itself. So this says, in a world of overpacked schedules, ironing isn't always an option. I hate ironing. This quick fix to easily removes moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics. Keep it in your dressing area to look fresh every morning and in your laundry room to aid ironing. This product is ideal for wrinkle-prone shirts, suits, and curtains. Yes. I'm excited for this, okay? I hate ironing so much. So I really hope that this works. I really hope so. Okay, the Mason Jar Hydration Kit. Okay, what is it? Oh, let us open it up and see. Come out. Oh, this is nice. This is so nice. Okay, see this? This is a container. In the box, it says it has the multifunctional drink lid, premium glass mason jar. It's kind of heavier. It's definitely not lightweight by any means, but the insulating neoprene sleeve, I like that. I like that a lot. So this is gonna be a fun one to try as well. So, what is this? Oh, this is one more thing, you guys. One more thing. Okay, this is a handbag or a tote of sorts. This is cute. So cute. Okay, so this is Botkier. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing the brand right. I'm horrible. So this is a super cute tote. Pretty decent in size. It has a cute little zipper detail on this side. And then it also has it on this side as well. Inside, it has an inside pocket that zips. Pretty fashionable, pretty fashionable. That is my FabFitFun box for fall 2020. We got the bag. We've got the hair removal device. We've got the Laundress crease release. We've got the Tranquility sleep mist, that fabulous stuff that I just sprayed around me. We got the glasses. We've got the stress reliever hair oil. We've got the water bottle. And we've got the glow milk. The highlighter, liquid highlighter. So all of that for $49.99. I'm gonna leave all of these items in my description area along with their actual retail value. And you can see for yourself how good of a deal this is. And like I said, the 3 customization items I knew I was getting, so I knew for sure that the value was going to be there. So, and that's important to me when I am getting these subscription boxes, is knowing that I'm getting my value for my money. FabFitFun, thumbs up. Great job on this fall 2020 box, you guys. I freaking love it. So if you guys want your own FabFitFun box, go ahead and click my link. I will share with you below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, as I do have new videos out weekly. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm about to go try some of this stuff, and yeah, so I'm gonna leave you all